Today we are going to walk you through our selection of facelift brushes and their different applications. So this is our Facelift Sideline Ultra Radius brush. This brush is perfect for covering large surface areas. It has a wide angle bristle coverage and you need to push down to activate the shorter inner bristles. It has a 15-inch or 38cm size. So this is our Facelift Phantom DuPont Sill brush. This brush features the angled stock, which allows you to clean windows and the sills at the same time, protecting the brush stock from coming into contact with the window frames and the brickwork. The brush has stiff inner red bristles for additional scrubbing power, and it's available in 12 inches or 30 centimeters. So this is our Fab brush. It has the flocked bristles and is black in colour. It's a multi-purpose brush with soft flocked bristles. And it's perfect for cleaning solar panels or leaded windows. It's available with 2 brass pencil jets. And it's available in 12 inches or 30 centimeters. So this is our Facelift Phantom DuPont Dual Trim Brush. It has high quality DuPont bristles with optional horsehair bristles. It's lightweight, robust, versatile for all exterior cleaning, and it's also suitable for hot or cold systems. You can get pencil or fan jets with this brush. It's available in 11 or 16 inches. So this is our Facelift Phoenix brush. It's available in 14 inches. It has 4 pencil jets. It's a lightweight rectangular brush, as you can see. It's a nice larger alternative and a brilliant option for covering large areas of glass. Our first adapter is the Facelift Precision Angle Neck Adapter. This is available in a standard size or a large size depending on which pole you have. This is a precise and lightweight adjustable angle adapter. It has a parachute clip style connection to ensure your brush head remains perfectly aligned. The parachute clip allows you to instantly connect and swap brush heads with ease, and the quick release lever means you can change the angle so that your brush reaches the glass in just seconds. Our second adapter is the Euro Screw Thread Angle Neck. It is a versatile 3-inch angle neck that attaches to the top of the pole, allowing you to adjust the angle at which the brush head meets the window and ensures you can clean even the most tricky of places. It fits any pole with a Euro screw thread, and it's available in a pack of 3. You can find all of our brushes on our website www.windowcleaningwarehouse.co.uk. Thank you.